Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasa pi tak ke rupa, ringkat bat ke Orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Kenang manweng ye kajing dhangkali ke bajor hasilantar ke Surokba National Highway, nadu ke senang mauyong, terter syaduk maulai. Ke Sorkar Jala Kalarai bat penbena, basyan kan seplai pajbano ye ke Surok Maulai bypass, kata ha ke khanyo terek mentau benai nailar arja kat kendai. Usembod Menteri Rangba ke Jala ubak Preston Tensong, ha ke jingkran bat kinong pathai kubor, ulai tu bak ke Sorkar kan seplai ru, ha ke ni ke juga sengi, ya ke Maulai Police Outpost.
Good news is like this. We decided, PWD has decided today, along with Chief Minister, that Maulai bypass will be open and inaugurated on the 17th of this month.
By CM.
17th, yeah. To be inaugurated by the Honorable Chief Minister at 11 a.m. in the morning.
So the place
Well,
will be
and then number two, we had a meeting already. We already discussed about the functioning of the police outpost, but right now the building is in deep validated condition. We have instructed the police department to get it repaired immediately, but temporary arrangement has been made that the outpost will start functioning from that day itself. Work order has been issued. Immediately the contractors will start widening. They will start immediately widening. With lakum nuru ngasuang papi lakum nuru by ngikwa ba kin pendek hapo benai March next year. Katu widening. Nama work order has been issued. Nadu nang tu nalat nang tu napo lat nehu.
Langsung kir seduk santai sepuluh.
And then langsung kir hadu hayu kan. Hadu haying jam kokai ke bami ni.
Kata kan? Langsung kir masih sepuluh.
Hadu ante motor. Kan long tok ke standard I should say ke standard kalau ka state highway standard. Hopefully the opening of this Maulai bypass will reduce the traffic from Maulai side, Maulai Tangkiu side, from Banalari side, not less than 30%. More. And then what we will do is, not only that road, that Maulai bypass, commercial vehicle will not be allowed.
It will be one way or two way.
Right now the police has recommended that we will make it one way.
Only coming.
Coming. While coming, you can enter Maulai bypass.
Only coming from.
Yeah, coming from Umiam or from Guwahati, whatever. What we can do is we appeal to those people who got license, okay? Be it, two-wheelers, three-wheelers, or four-wheelers. They should know themselves. They should drive within a limit. Otherwise, nobody can stop. Even if you say put policemen 24/7, I think no government can keep police forces every 10 meters, every 15 meters or 100 meters. But my request to all the license holders, okay, license holders, let us drive responsibly. Otherwise, I am telling you, it may happen anything. This standard, it is not with PWD department, it is with transport department. That's what they used to have this, what they call this inspector or something. So they are the one who has to do this.